Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 best budget laptops for editing in 2021. So without any further ado, let's get started. So number 5 on the list is the Lenovo IdeaPad 3. The Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is a budget offering from Lenovo at $350, and it comes with Ryzen CPUs and offers good value right now on laptops. The build quality and design of the laptop is very similar to other Lenovo laptops, and it is quite basic but is still good. It is a fully plastic body that comes in a few different unique looking color options, and it looks good with the texturized rubber pattern on the back. It is also rigid as it does not flex or bend much while applying pressure. In terms of weight and size, it is quite small too, and you can carry it around and travel with it without much issue. The display on this is very much mid-tier in my opinion. It is a 15.6-inch 768p panel that has slightly bland colors, decent brightness, and average viewing angles. The panel should be decent for gaming and media consumption, and for light editing, it is good enough. The performance on the laptop is actually pretty solid and is the reason I have it on this list. The specs on this include the AMD Ryzen 3 3250U processor, 4GB of RAM, and a 128GB SSD. The IdeaPad 3 is capable of light gaming at 720p and doing most work with ease. Editing is also very possible with these specs, and it runs most software very well. Battery life is also quite good, and it will last for around 5 to 6 hours on full charge with medium usage. Number 4 on the list is the Acer Aspire 5. The Acer Aspire 5 at $500 is still one of the most affordable and good laptops you can buy in 2021, and it offers some of the best value for money at this price. It is one of the best sellers on Amazon, and the main reason for that is the excellent value it offers. The build quality and design of the laptop is good. It comes in a metal and plastic combo build with a brushed matte finish on the back and the front that gives off a nice feel. Getting a metal build at a price like this is seriously impressive, and it does add a premium touch to it even at this price. Overall, this is a solid build quality with no flex or creaking, and is quite thin and light at 18mm thick and a weight of 1.7 kg, making it very portable as well. The display on this is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel that looks very good. You get accurate colors and contrast, average viewing angles, and good sharpness. It is great for gaming and media consumption and should not be too bad for editing as well. The performance on the laptop is one of the best for the price point. It comes with the Intel Core i5 1035G1 processor, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and the Intel UHD GPU. Even in 2021, these specs allow the laptop to do any basic task with ease. With this laptop, you should be able to play lighter games without much issue and edit at 1080p. So number 3 on the list is the Lenovo Flex 5. The Lenovo Flex 5 is a 2-in-1 laptop that will give you some of the best performance for the price, and it also has a good 2-in-1 form factor that works well. The build quality of the laptop is quite good. The laptop is made mostly out of metal, but there is plastic there too, and it is well built with a thin and light form factor. The laptop comes in different color variants as well, and the hinge is really good for a 2-in-1 laptop and has no flex or creaking. The display on the laptop is one of the best on this list with a 14-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen panel. The display actually has surprisingly accurate colors and contrast, good viewing angles, and decent brightness. The 2-in-1 features are pretty solid and are great for graphic design and video editing, and it is quite capable as a budget laptop. The performance on the laptop is great for $600 with the AMD Ryzen 5 4500U processor, 16GB of RAM, a 256GB SSD, and the AMD Vega graphics. These specs allow the laptop to have performance capable of editing at 1080p and above resolutions without having slowdowns, and the laptop is also capable of light to medium gaming as well. Number 2 on the list is the Asus VivoBook 15. The Asus VivoBook 15 is a great portable ultrabook that you can buy for around $600. Its build and design is really good and is one of the smallest 15-inch laptops you can buy at the price. It comes in a metal and plastic body with a premium look and feel to it. As I said, it is one of the most portable laptops out there for the price, being quite a bit thinner and lighter as compared to others, making it a lot easier to carry around everywhere. The display on the laptop is also really great. It is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel that will give you accurate colors and contrast, good sharpness, and good viewing angles. This will be good enough for editing, and for gaming and media, it is a good experience due to the thin bezels also. The specs on this include the AMD Ryzen 7 3700U processor, 8GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and the AMD Vega 10 GPU. This has the last gen AMD Ryzen 7 processor, which is still really quick and powerful and it performs extremely well in everything, and the Vega 10 GPU offers much better performance than most integrated GPUs. So number 1 on the list is the Lenovo Legion Y540. The Lenovo Legion Y540 is a gaming laptop from Lenovo that is right now priced insanely well for the specs it offers. The Lenovo Legion Y540 is completely made out of plastic but doesn't feel cheap at all. The back has a rubberized grippy texture that not only looks great but also has a good feel. There is a large Legion logo on the back that lights up and gives some style to the otherwise understated look of it. The most unique part about the build, however, is the lid positioning that is a bit outside the display, and it leaves some of the bottom outside when you open up the display lid. This in turn makes the display open up much smoother, and most of the ports can be put behind, which they are on this. The display on the laptop is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel at 60Hz. The panel has vibrant colors, great viewing angles, and good sharpness. Video watching and gaming is a very good experience thanks to the color temperature, and editing is great on this too. The performance on this is excellent, and it is the best part about this. The specs on this include an Intel Core i5-9300HF processor, 12GB of RAM, a 512GB SSD, and the Nvidia GeForce RTX 2060 GPU. The older i5 is the weakest part here, but it's still good, and the RTX 2060 on this performs insanely well and beats most laptops at its price. Editing at more than 1080p should be doable here, and that is great to see, and it is the perfect starting point if you want a more powerful laptop that you don't need to really change even if you have more intensive workloads. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.